Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're signed in and ready. Now go straight to Google Drive. On desktop, navigate to Drive. Google, and on mobile, open the Drive app. Once there, open the left-hand menu and select Backups to see device and app backups tied to your account. Make sure you use the same Google account used for the original backup, because backups are account-specific. If you have multiple accounts, switch accounts now so you're viewing the correct backup list and timestamped entries. Once the backups list appears, inspect each entry to understand what's stored. You'll see device name, backup date, and size. Click or tap an entry to expand details like app data, SMS, and settings. This is where you decide whether the backup contains what you need. For example, what's app backups appear separately. Make sure to note the backup date so you pick the most recent one. If you need file-level items like photos, confirm whether they are in Google Photos or in Drive storage. To retrieve data, download available exports or prepare to restore to a device. Restores usually happen during device setup when you sign into the same Google account and choose the desired backup. If you only need files, use the three-dot menu to download available items. If a backup is missing, make sure you're in the right account, verify Google Drive storage quota, and check that backup and sync or Android backup was enabled on the original device. If problems persist, sign out and sign back in, then retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.